Hey everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to add discount code at checkout Shopify. Let's get started. First, go to your store or home page of your Shopify account. Then you will see at the left side the discounts button. Click the create discount button. Here you will have four options of discount type where you can choose from. I'll now choose amount of order. Here you can put your discount code or automatic discount. It depends on what kind of method. You can either type a title or just a discount code. Then you can choose the discount value, the amount of percentage you want that the code will give. Then you can choose minimum purchase requirements and customer eligibility, and the maximum discount uses and the end dates. After that, you can now save the discount and create the code.